Anyone who wants to start an online business and earn thousands of dollars every single month, I highly recommend selling coloring books and digital products in general on Etsy and Amazon. Coloring books are some of the fastest selling products in these marketplaces, and they're one of my favorite product types to teach because they're simple to create, highly profitable, and can generate consistent sales. Along with coloring books, I also love teaching you how to design all kinds of children's digital products that people are actively buying every day. As you can see on both Etsy and Amazon, these coloring books generate thousands of sales every month, which means many of them are bringing in thousands of dollars in monthly revenue. And there's absolutely no reason why you can't become the owner of one of these best-selling books, or even create something better. That's exactly why I made this video. I'm not only going to teach you how to design professional interior coloring pages from scratch, but I'm also going to show you how to create a beautiful, eye-catching book cover with just one click. On top of that, I'll teach you how to create a professional mock-up for your coloring book so you can promote it across social media and make your listings look much more attractive. But that's not all. I'm also going to show you how to publish your book on Etsy using an amazing tool called MyDesigns.io. You'll find the link in the description below. MyDesigns.io isn't just a design platform. It's actually an all-in-one solution for creators who want to sell print-on-demand and digital products professionally. You can also publish your Etsy listings directly from inside the platform and manage all of your products without constantly switching between different websites. And it doesn't stop there. They also offer powerful tools for editing your products, scheduling your listings to be published automatically at the exact dates and times you choose, plus many other professional features that I'll be showing you throughout this video. Before we start designing, the first thing we need is a great niche. To make things easier for you, I created a file containing 40 of the best-selling children's coloring book niches that also have relatively low competition, giving you a much better chance of making sales faster. But I didn't stop there. You already know I love helping you succeed. If you scroll a little farther down inside the file, you'll find a master prompt that you can use to generate professional interior pages, stunning book covers, and even realistic mock-ups with incredible quality. In just a few moments, I'll show you exactly how it works. And if you'd like to get this file for yourself, simply leave me a comment and I'll send it to you directly. Now let's choose one of these 40 niches and design a complete coloring book together in this video. For this example, I'm going to choose Mermaid Towns. All I need to do now is scroll down to the master prompt and replace the book title placeholder, highlighted in red, with the title of the niche I selected. Then I'll simply copy the entire prompt and head over to ChatGPT. I'll paste the prompt into ChatGPT, and within just a second, it generates professional prompts for 10 interior coloring pages. If you want more pages, you can simply edit the original prompt and specify however many pages you'd like. And that's still not all. It also generates a professional prompt for creating the book cover, plus another professional prompt for creating a high-quality mock-up for the book, all from the single master prompt included in the file. Now let's move over to MyDesigns. If you go to the Designs section, you'll see that this is where you can upload all of your digital products. You can also connect your own store or marketplace account so you can sell your products directly through the platform while keeping everything organized in one place. Everything is managed from a single dashboard, making it much easier to keep track of your products as your business grows. Next, let's head over to the Canvas section, because this is where you can create professional quality digital products with incredible precision. If we open the Templates tab, you'll find that you can quickly choose the exact dimensions for your design. You'll also notice that the design interface includes a wide variety of useful options. For example, you can change the page color, make the background completely transparent, and choose from many professionally designed templates that are ready to use right away. If you check the font section, you'll discover a large collection of beautiful fonts that are perfect for all kinds of projects, especially t-shirt and apparel designs. You'll also find the Elements section, which is packed with amazing graphics and design assets, along with many other tools that make creating digital products fast and easy. But the feature I'm most interested in for creating this coloring book is Dream AI. This is where you can generate almost anything using artificial intelligence. You can use text prompts to create brand new designs, edit existing images, or even use images as references to generate completely new artwork. In our case, we'll be using the text-to-image feature. After that, all you need to do is choose your favorite AI model. I'm going to use GPT Image 2. Then I'll select the image aspect ratio. For this project, I'll choose a 2:3 ratio. Finally, I'll choose the number of images to generate. In this case, it can generate 2 images at the same time. And then I'll select the image quality. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the first coloring page. Then I'll return to MyDesigns, paste that first prompt right here, and you'll see your generated designs start appearing below. Next, I'll simply click Generate, and MyDesigns immediately starts creating the coloring page. The best part is that you can generate multiple pages at the same time. So I'll go back to ChatGPT once again, copy the prompt for the second page, paste it into MyDesigns, and you'll see that both pages are being generated simultaneously. That's exactly how I'm going to create several pages at once, which saves a tremendous amount of time. Now let's take a look at the results. These are honestly some of the best coloring pages we've ever created on this channel. The image quality is incredibly high, which really demonstrates the power of MyDesigns' AI image generation capabilities. It also highlights how effective the master prompt I included in the file really is. All you need to do now is add the generated images to your main design canvas and download them to your computer so we can use them later when publishing our product on Etsy. The process is extremely simple. Just click on any image and it will automatically be added to your main canvas. From there, you can edit it however you like using MyDesigns' professional editing tools, including adding shadows, borders, adjusting the page itself, and many other powerful customization options. After you finish creating the interior pages for your coloring book, which honestly won't take very long, you'll be amazed at how quickly everything comes together. In just a few minutes, you can create an entire coloring book from start to finish. Now let's head back to ChatGPT one more time and copy the prompt for the book cover. Then we'll return to MyDesigns and paste the prompt into the same place we used for the interior pages. And within just a second, look at the cover it created for us. I'm pretty sure you're just as impressed by this result as I am. The quality is absolutely incredible. I almost forgot to mention another amazing feature. MyDesigns also includes powerful tools that help you write professional AI prompts. It guides you step by step from choosing the art style and color palette to adding text and other creative details, making it incredibly easy to build high-quality prompts. This means you can create professional prompts for virtually any digital product you want to design without needing to be an expert at prompt writing. It's an excellent feature that saves time while helping you achieve much better results. Now, just like before, let's go back to ChatGPT again, but this time we'll copy the prompt for the book mockup. Then we'll return to MyDesigns once more. Since I want the mockup to use the exact same interior pages and cover we already created, so everything matches perfectly, I'm going to choose the image-to-image option instead of generating an image from text. Next, I'll select the Nano Banana Pro AI model. Then upload a couple of the interior pages we generated. Let's use 2 pages, along with the book cover. Don't forget to adjust your canvas dimensions so they fit the mockup correctly. For this example, I'll choose a 3:4 aspect ratio because I think it works perfectly for this type of design. Now I'll click Generate and just look at the mockup it created. It's absolutely amazing. It used the same interior pages and the same cover to create a realistic, professional-looking mockup that perfectly matches the product. I think this mock-up looks fantastic, and it's exactly the kind of image I'd use on Etsy and across social media to attract more visitors and increase clicks. A professional presentation like this can make a huge difference in how customers perceive your product. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, MyDesigns isn't just a design tool. If we go back to the main dashboard, you'll see that you can connect your online store, whether it's Shopify or Etsy, so you can upload your products and manage everything directly from inside the MyDesigns platform. To do that, all I have to do is open the design section and upload my product. You can upload t-shirts and many other digital products as well. And by the way, MyDesigns also supports print on demand. They can print your custom t-shirts and ship them directly to your customers while you focus on making sales and growing your business. I'll explain that entire process in a separate video because I wanted to keep this one focused specifically on digital products. Now, to upload the coloring book we just created, all I have to do is click the upload button at the top. Then I'll choose the product type, and in my case, I'll select digital product. After that, MyDesigns takes me to the next step, where I simply choose the file format, whether it's PDF or PNG. Then I'll upload the images that I want customers to see on my Etsy listing. Next, it brings me to another page where I can enter my product title and description. What's really impressive is that MyDesigns includes an AI tool that analyzes your uploaded files and automatically generates a highly professional product title and description in just a few seconds. It's a fantastic feature. Finally, all that's left is to set your price, choose the available quantity, and that's it. Your product is fully uploaded. The only remaining step is connecting your Etsy store so your product can appear directly in your shop. The process is incredibly simple and only takes a few moments. I really hope you found this video helpful and learned something valuable today. And by the way, very soon I'll be releasing another video showing you exactly how to sell t-shirts using MyDesigns, because it's also an outstanding platform for print on demand and lets you create listings for multiple marketplaces at the same time, saving you an incredible amount of time and effort. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.